Welcome again to my classes, and already I've discussed more about this longitude and latitude in my previous classes. I believe that at this moment the longitude and latitudes are known. How to find the distance between 2 points on the globe of the Earth is also possible. But today I wanted us to master on the shortest route on the globe. In other words, the shortest distance between 2 points on the surface of the Earth. Now, we have already concluded that the shortest distance between 2 points on the surface of the Earth is along the Great Circle, that is along the longitudes. But the question is, how do we go through this one? For example, you're given a smaller circle and you're told to find the shortest distance. How do you convert the angle difference from the small circle to a great circle? Are simple steps that you're going to take, and you're going to enjoy the lesson. And at the end of the lesson, of course, you're going to know how to navigate through the questions relating to short distances. Now, from geometry, it is easy to ascertain the following relation, that the angle difference theta is actually twice the sine inverse, the sine of angle difference cos theta, and then you multiply by 2. I believe by use of an example, this relationship is going to be well understood. Consider the following 2 points on the surface of the Earth. That is point A, which is 40 degrees to the north of equator and 50 degrees to the west of Greenwich meridian, and B, 40 degrees to the north of equator and 60 degrees to the east of the Greenwich meridian. Now, by look of that 2 points, it's clear that the 2 points lies on the small circle along the parallel of latitude 40 degrees north. Now, I'm going to calculate the distance between the 2 points along the parallel of latitudes and also along the longitudes. And then we compare and see which distance among the two is the shortest. Now, recall that distance in kilometers between 2 points on a small circle is actually given by theta over 362 pi r cosine of theta. Now, by look of this, to get the angle difference here, we'll take 50 plus 60 because the 2 points lie to the opposite of the Greenwich meridian. So 50 plus 60, we get that the angle difference is 110 over 360 multiplied by 2 pi times 6370, where 6370 is the radius of the Earth, and then cosine of 40. By so doing that one and substituting into your calculator, the correct answer comes to 9368.36 kilometer. That is 9368.36 kilometers. That is the distance along the parallel of latitudes in kilometers. In the same way, distance along the longitude is also obtained as following. Remember that this is already a small circle and we need to get the angle difference on a great circle. So I'm using this formula to convert the angle difference of small circle to angle difference of a great circle. So I'll use twice into bracket the sine inverse of the product of sine 110 over 2 cos 40. Remember, 110 is the angle difference from the small circle, cos 40, where 40 is the angle of latitude. And by so doing that one and using your calculator, it gives you 77.73 degrees. Now, recall too that distance in kilometers for great circle is theta over 360, 2 pi r. Then substituting our angle difference, which is 77.73 over 360, multiplying by 2, multiplying by pi, multiplying by 6370, which is the radius of the Earth, the correct answer comes to 8,641.83 kilometers. By look of the two answers, you realize that the distance along the great circle, that is along the longitude, is usually the shorter or is usually the smaller as compared. Therefore, we can come up with this remark as a conclusion that it is therefore true to conclude that the shortest distance between any given 2 points on the surface of the Earth is through the Great Circle, or simply through the longitudes. Just an activity. You can attempt this activity at your own time. Find the shortest distance between these 2 points. That is A, 20 degrees south, 42 degrees west, and the other B is 20 degrees south and 10 degrees west. I do believe that short lesson has enabled you to understand more on the shortest route on the globe or on the surface of the Earth. Thank you, and follow me for more and more lessons in future. Thank you. God bless you.